Hey guys, it's Ryan with Launch the Journey. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a Sunday breakdown for January the 6th, 2019. If this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, we do a lot of videos on stock market investing, trying to generate a passive income through the stock market, through day trading. We talk about futures, ETFs, options, and pretty much cover quite a few things to do with the stock market. So this is the first time, like I said, you ever been to the channel, we would invite you to hit the subscribe button, bell notification, so you'll be able to get our future videos. And this weekly breakdown, we do the futures, and that way you can play like ETFs associated with the futures. So this is going to be natural gas, and this was actually the open on Sunday, which was last night. I think it opened at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we had to drop down from 303 area all the way to 291. Now right now we got a resistance area about the 298 mark, which you can see was previous resistance as well. So I have to see what it's going to do. It looks like a horizontal trend right now, but since we did gap down on Sunday, we caught here. So it almost looks like we're in a horizontal trend. So right now we're going to be looking at bottoms being at 291 and tops being about 304. Gold, the gold actually bounced on the 20-day SMA. So it's been acting out as a pretty good support. It bounced and now it's recovering. 1300 is a resistance area right now. So we will have to see. It's pushed up quite a lot, so I think it needs some consolidation room, but we'll have to see what the markets do overall. If the markets keep pushing up, gold may consolidate for a little bit, and if markets sell back off, gold may continue to push up. That is gold and silver, very similar situation. It's starting out with a slightly, last week's high was looks like about 1596, and now we're about 1586 right now. So it pretty much same situation. I think we're consolidating until we see what the markets are doing. So crude oil continues to push up and make higher highs. I see the $50 level being a big resistance level. You can see this long consolidation area right here. It's about right at $50. So between $50 and $51, I see a pretty good resistance area. So we'll have to see on the consolidation point through there what actually happens with it. And then we have /ES, which is the future for the S&P 500. It looks like it's holding this 25.25 pretty well right now. We'll have to see if we continue to sell off, or you can actually see this. I'm on the 180-day 4-hour right now. You can see this, the channel that we're kind of in. I see a resistance area kind of about the 2570 mark. So if we were to go to SPY, it'll be give you a number, 2550, $26, or yeah, 255 or 256 mark, somewhere through there should be a pretty decent resistance. But we've had these resistances before and we push above them, so we'll just have to see what we do. You can see this consolidation phase through here, which is where I see this resistance being. So tops there is 257, and the bottoms are about pretty much where we're at. That's probably when we're pulling back slightly where we're at. So about 254. So we should, we're either going to catch here, continue to make higher highs, or we fall through. But right now it's looking like a support. As of right now, I'm going to say we're bouncing and we're going up a little bit higher, test this zone. So that's going to be the futures breakdown for January 6th. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I look forward to speaking to y'all in the next video. Take care.